Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Payoneer to PayPal. So now you can see I am in the dashboard of Payoneer, and here I will try to show you how you can transfer your Payoneer to PayPal. So basically you have to just go to the support center that is on the right side here. Just click here. It will redirect you to a new page. Wait for a few seconds, and here you have to select this one, send payment and withdrawal bank. Here after that you have to click on withdrawal bank account, and here you have to scroll through down, and here you will find the option. This is called how do I withdraw funds to my bank account. After that it will load for a few seconds, and then I have to click here how do I withdraw my funds and transfer to my bank account. After that you have to click on contact us, and it will redirect to a new page. So basically you can just contact with the customer support directly. Here you will get the three options: send message, live chat and call us. I mostly use live chat because that is the most easiest way, but live chat is only work during the working hours. So right now I have to send a message here. So in the message you have to send, and you have to tell briefly your email automatically selected, and then you have to select your topic. You have to explain here that how I connect my Payoneer account to my PayPal. So basically most of the people who does this are from the eBay. So you have to just attach your document, click on this I am not a robot, and then click on submit, and they will get back to you with a solution. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.